let's have a look here. Wow, there's brooding here. That's alright, so this is hive number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, number 7, that's right. So I've smoked it up already, so I'm going to just go ahead and open it up. I believe this one could have lots of burr comb too, so we'll see. And I see there's some hives, the frames that are stuck here. And I think that's due to the burr comb. Yep, and lots of it. Oh my goodness. There we go. You can see there is a lot of burr comb in here. Check on the lid, and that's because there was no inner lid inside, and it is infested with ants. Absolutely infested with ants. Man, that annoys me. That annoys me. And it actually looks like this honey's gone to spoil. Either that or it was very aged, but it looks like it's gone to spoil, in my honest opinion. And that could be due to the ants. Let's have a look here. Wow, there's brooding here. That's awesome. Awesomely not awesome. And a shit ton of ants. Alright, well I see brood here. Some capped brood and some honey. So that means the queen's made her way up here. And although it's not a bad thing, it's not a good thing for the supers, because slipped out of my hand. Because now when I want to add a brood extension on top, I'm kind of stuck. There you go, bee. Run away. I'm saving your life. I want to inspect one of these other frames. This one. I want to see if there's honey or I just don't want to pull the frame off of the main pole, because if I do that, that's just going to upset everything. Get off here, bee. Alright, let's have a look at this one. There we go. Okay, well this one's definitely got honey on, but there is capped brood on that one. And that's one I don't want to. Okay, that's why. I only see honey on these two. So honey, 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 brood. I want to see this one quickly now too, because if that one's got brood on, then that maybe it means the next one next to it also has brood. It's a bit of a bummer, because it would have been nice to have a full box of honey in this one, but you know what, it's okay. I'm wanting to expand the colony size, so I guess this is a good way to start. And there's brood there too. A good amount of honey though. I want to bump anything, especially with brood. Yeah, there's the larvae. You can see the larvae in there. So there's definitely a queen. She's definitely around here. That's awesome. It's just these ants are an issue. I think what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to go on a cinnamon spree. Because cinnamon, that's a good deterrent for ants. Ants hate cinnamon, so that's a good thing. But I'm gonna have to go ahead and remove this burr comb for now as well, just to make it easier for me to put the lid back on. You often find what happened was this box had lots of honey in, it was full of honey, but it was left for too late, and then what happens then is the queen goes ahead and lays her eggs in there anyway, in those cells that were supposed to be for honey. The queen uses it, and that's totally okay. I'll sort this out. I'll just add, and I'll have to add a brood extension onto this one, because this queen's obviously very strong, which she is, because this colony is really nice. The temperament's not, you know, very aggressive, and they're just doing their own thing. But this honey is definitely old. This has definitely been here for quite some time. See them working on there. I don't want to bug them just yet. Just try and see if I can. Yeah. Yay! Clean box. And that's what happens when you don't have an inner lid. Alright, let's pop this box back on. So this box I'll have to change it out, take out supers that have only honey, and then add on a brood extension that will allow us to I don't want to squash anymore. I'm just gonna have to go. They're not gonna like that. Right.